Google's Assistant is only 16 months old, but it's already on over 400 million devices, including probably your phone and a speaker in your home, but it's also going to show up on devices like this. This is the new Lenovo Smart Display. And while it looks like an Android tablet with a speaker attached to it, it's a lot more than that. It runs the Android Things OS, though only on a basic level. You're not going to run Android apps on this thing. Instead, it runs a very specific Google Assistant experience, so let's take a closer look. So you'll be able to speak to the Smart Display just like you would be able to speak to a Google Home, but it does bring a lot of extras to the table. So, okay Google, show me nearby bakeries.
I found several places near you. The first one is Carlo's Bake Shop. It's 0.02 miles away and is rated 3.8 stars.
So the response is very much like what you'd get out of a Google Home or a Google Home Mini, but you have this extra layer of visual information to kind of really help you understand what you're getting. So we can go in and tap this option, and it should give us a lot more than what you'd get out of a Google Home. So you have the hours, you have some photos, and more importantly, you have a map to kind of give you an idea of where things are around you. Okay, Google, how do I get there?
The best way to get to Carlo's Bake Shop by car is via South Las Vegas Boulevard and will take about 1 minute. I've sent the directions to your phone.
That in itself is a really powerful thing. For a display in your home to do most of the heavy lifting and then just push those results to your phone is something I'm really looking forward to trying out when that functionality really comes online later this year. You can actually do a lot of other things with the Smart Display as well. Okay, Google, show me some relaxing music.
I found a few stations.
It's pulling from Google Play Music, which is pretty obvious, but it does actually sound pretty good as well.
Playing the Google Play Music station called Take It Easy Rock.
My favorite kind of rock. And as with any other device that works with Google Assistant, you can create and edit routines that can control your smart home. We've got a smart light set up behind us, so if I were to say, okay Google, good morning, that should kick on behind me.
Hi, Rachel. It is 4:40 p.m. Currently in Las Vegas it's 63 and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 64 and a low of 47. The best way to get to work by car is via I-15 North and will take about 14 minutes in heavy traffic. Today at 6 p.m., you have teacher-parent conference. After that, today at 8 p.m., you have catch up with Jane. Have a great day.
All of the other usual Google Assistant commands work just fine too. So, okay Google, how far away from the Earth is the moon?
The moon is 238,900 miles from Earth.
And you get, again, a little bit of visual flair to kind of go with the information. It is, in a lot of ways, the Google Home you know and love, just with a little extra. That actually seems to be quite impressive and, more importantly, very helpful. What I really kind of dig about this thing is its design. It's sort of accessible in that traditionally Google way, even though this is a Lenovo designed product. And it does have a quite nice display. We also have right here a camera that you're going to be using for Duo video calls. They do work very well. We did a quick demo. I can't show you that now because I don't know anyone with Duo who's ready to talk on camera, so you'll have to take my word for it. I should also point out the 10-inch model has a bamboo back, which kind of really works, actually. The rest of it's made of this white plastic, and it kind of comes together in a way that feels stylish and modern. I think it'd work really well in my apartment, and I think it would work in a lot of yours too. You won't have to wait too long to start playing with these things. The two models will go on sale this summer for $199 and $249 respectively, and we really can't wait to take this thing and the other devices of its kind for a closer look here at CES, so stay tuned for more.